Hi guys, welcome to another Buzzing About Town here on Buzzing Pattaya. And as you can see, I'm on the middle of the road and there's motorbikes going past me, and so hopefully we'll get this part out of the way as soon as I can. Now today, I thought to myself, let's make a video about all the expat dedicated food shops that are here in the Pattaya area. Now, before you think, why is he doing that? I think it appeals to all of you, because if you come here on a short break, a couple of weeks holiday, 2-3 weeks, maybe you want to stock up your fridge with some snacks and bits and bobs that you can't get in and around the city centre. If you're here for a bit longer, maybe on a 2 or a 3 month haul, and you're wanting to maybe cook occasionally, or perhaps you're looking for those things that you miss, those little condiments, etc., that maybe you miss back home that you can't get here. Again, you know, these kind of places that I'm going to show you today will be perfect. And likewise, if you live here, well, then obviously, I'm guessing some of you, myself included, do a lot of cooking, etc., so you need to come here for those kind of products. And as I say, you know, it might be something simple like a breakfast cereal, it might be a particular range of gravy, it might be a sauce, it might be a condiment. I mean, mayonnaise and butter, my lord, I don't know about you guys, but I can't stand the Thai mayonnaise and the Thai butter. It is awful. So the little things make a big difference, and they could really help in make you enjoy your holiday, enjoy your stay, especially when you open the fridge and you've got a lot of products that you recognize from back home. All right, so I thought, well, where better to start than behind me here at the Siam Expat Food Shop. It was the very first dedicated expat food shop to be open in here in the Pattaya area. So I'm on Soi Siam country, which, as you can tell already, is a busy road. There's motorbikes and cars flying up and down, etc. So let's go into here and let's have a look. Now guys, what I would ask you please, before I go in, wow, they're busy today. All right, before I go in, if you live here or you've got a place you want to recommend, be it a bakery for the bread, maybe somewhere to get wine, maybe the cheeses, you know, if you found a good delicatessen for cheeses and for the meats, cold meats, etc. Please guys, you know, let's make this video as informative and as useful as possible. Please drop your comment below and share the places that you know are good go-to places for our expat food. Now, I'm not going to cover everywhere. There's lots of places I am going to miss off, but please drop their comments below, drop the links below. But what I am going to do is just show you some of the places that I personally go to that I think are quite useful and worth going into. All right, so let's turn the video around and let's go and have a look inside here at Siam Expat Foods. Now, today of all days, they're panicking because they're doing a restock, which is a good sign because it means that they're very busy. So let's have a wander in. As you can see, they're open each day 9 AM until 7:30. And they've got some fantastic stuff in here. Really have got some great stuff. You like your biscuits with a cup of tea in the morning? Look at those, absolutely brilliant. This video is killing me because I can't enjoy them. Bombay mix, again, one of my favorites. And you know, they've got a magical selection here. You can have a look around. I'll try and show you as much as I can. All the different crisps, your jams, puddings, all those kind of things. Now, they offer a huge range of different products, frozen as well as tinned and fresh, and all your soups. So if you like your soups, there's lots of different soups available. And in the fridge section, look at this. This is not good. Oh, look at all these chocolates. I really can't believe I'm videoing this and I'm not able to indulge. And look at that. Oh, it's just all there. It really is all there. Unbelievable. Now, in here, they also have a good selection of cheese. So if you do like your cheese, this is a good place to come and check out all the different types of cheese available. And one thing I like about this place, now if you like your Chinese food and you like your Indian food and you can cook from home, they've got a brilliant selection of frozen food here. Let me just pan the camera down. There you go, so let's get a bit closer. So you've got all kinds of different Chinese food in here. And they've also got a fantastic range. Oh, look at the butter. Remember I said about the butter? Thai butter is awful. It really is awful. But in this freezer here, look down there, you've got a great range of different Indian foods. So if you have got the ability to use a microwave, or perhaps you want to cook at home, then this is a great place to go. And I'm just going to pan up now. Oh, sorry, that was a bit of a wobble. Remember I said about different sauces, salad creams, mayonnaise. They've got it all in here. So this really is a good place. There's Marmite. Marmite, do you love it or do you hate it? Drop a comment below. Love it, hate it. That's all we need to know. Milkshake, strawberry milkshake, my lord. This is a killer video for me today, it really is. But also a cup of tea in the morning, your PG tips, all these kind of little things that perhaps we don't see in the supermarkets and shops in the city centre. They've got them all here for you. All right, so that's about it for me in the CM Expat food shops. I will drop a link in the description below for you so you can see all the location and what they've got on offer. Check out their Facebook page, etc, etc. And let's go head further into town now and see what other goodies we can come up. And please guys, remember, like I said, drop your comments below. If you know a good delicatessen, a good meat supplier, a cheese, wine, whatever, please drop the comment below. Let's make this video as powerful and as useful as we can. All right, let's head off. So next up, Nadia's Expat Essentials. Now, if you're not sure where this place is, we're located over on Soi Bangkok. And if you look up there, you'll see where we are, right next door to the Kerry Express depot. Don't worry if you're not sure where we are, I will put a link in the description below for you. But Nadia's Expat Essentials is a relatively new place. It's only just open, and they've got a great range of products. So let's pop in and let's have a look and see what is on offer. And this video is killing me. So, okay, now, as you can see inside here, as I say, it's relatively new, but they've got a brilliant range already. They've got a great selection of different products from frozen stuff. And if I just pan down here, so they've got lots of frozen sausages and burgers, all those kind of things. Also got a range of Chinese dishes. So again, there's consistency there. So pretty much where you go, you can find those kind of things. Also, they've got a great selection here of different pies. So if you like your pies, they've got you covered here. And also, if I just pan back up again, they've got a great selection of wines, and covers 2 rows here. Let's just have a walk down. So if you like your wine, and there you go, let's have a look there. Now, I'm not really into wine, but if you are, maybe these are good for you. Truthfully, I don't know, but what a great selection. And as we walk around the shop now, here we go, let's just come down a bit. There you go. All right, so as you can see here, lots of cereals. And people say to me, what's it like living here? Well, here's an example. I would rather dive into a box of Frosties and enjoy a nice Marmite on toast than go around the go-go bars. How sad is that? But it's true. It's true. It's what it's like here once you live here. But again, you know, if you are here on holiday, this is quite central to Pattaya City. You know, on a motorbike taxi, you're talking like 50 baht. Come and get your breakfast cereals. Come and get your jams, etc. Again, they've got a good selection of cheeses here. So if you like cheese on toast, stuff like that. And there, as always, is a good selection of butter, because honestly, if you've tried the Thai butter, you will know what I mean when I'm saying about it makes your eyes water. It really does. But look at the range of sauces here. You know, some brilliant sauces. You look down here, all these different ones here. So there's plenty of offer, and there's Marmite. Remember I said in the other place in Siam Expat Foods, Marmite, love it or hate it. And if you are looking for some nice additional sauces, check these bad boys out. There's lots of steak sauces there, hot pepper sauce. Oh, who remembers, the Dragon's Den when, what's his name? Who was the guy that did the Jamaican guy that did the sauce? But loads and loads of different sauces here, pastas and all kinds of stuff going on. Here you go, pasta in there, lots of different sauces. So again, you can see there's a fantastic range here in Nadia's Essentials, sorry. And it is very local. So if you are looking for somewhere just to come and get some bits and pieces, or perhaps you live in the city centre, then this is a good place to come down to. All right, so, and we'll finish off with some crisps. Oh man, this is killing me. Out of interest, what's your favourite flavour of Walker's crisp? There's mine right in front of me, and I'm not allowed to buy one. It's pickled onions. Oh, I love them, love them. All right guys, so that's it from here, from Nadia's Expat Essentials. And we're gonna head off now over into Pratamnak. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we're over now in Pratamnak and we're down Soi 5. Now if you're not sure where I am, there'll be a link in the description below well, we'll pin drop the map location for you now. I'm outside a place called Smithfields Deli. Smithfields reminds me, being in London, of Smithfields Market. I'm sure it's nothing to do with that, but anyway. So have a look down on the map in the description below. And what we're going to do, this is a relatively new place. It's only just opened, so guys, come and support them. And like I said, if you're here on a holiday or whether you're here on a long stay, they've got a great selection of products. And we're just going to pop in and say hello. Hello, sawadee-ka. All right, now, so inside here, as you can see, as I said, it's relatively new, so it is under construction, but they've still got some great products here. As you can see, a lot of sausages, different bacons. If you like a bacon sandwich like me, that's fantastic. A selection of chocolates already, there you go. God, this video is killing me. And again, remember we said about the sauces. You know, it's amazing how different a sauce can make a meal taste in terms of different little, you know, mustards and tartar sauce, horseradish, all those kind of things, decent gravy. And of course, if you like your toast in the morning with a cup of tea, there you go, what a great selection of different jams. And as I say, this is a brand new venture, okay? It's only been open a week at the time of making this video. And they have got a good selection of products already, and they are going to expand. So please, check out their Facebook page and keep up to date. There'll be a link in the description below, but keep up to date with what products they're offering. Here's your salmon if you like salmon. And again, remember the pies. There's lots of frozen pies here. So if you go down the market, get yourself some potatoes, you know, pie and mash. And again, they've got other stuff here. Let me just turn that around for you. There you go, PG tips. I wonder how many people prefer tea over coffee. I don't know, I wonder how many of you. And there you got your different breakfast cereals. So again, you know, for a brand new place, they are starting to pack it out with a different range of stock. So please come in, say hello, see what they've got on offer. And again, here's a frozen food section here. Some really good stuff in there. And check these out. Now, if you like your sausages, this is going to be for you. Look at this. Here we go. We'll spin round there. Look at that. Great range of sausages in there. And they tell me, let's just spin that back round for you. There you are. Look at these prices. Oh, there we go. All right, there you go. Look at these. Now, obviously, these prices are at the time of filming, so they may change in the future, so please don't hold them to this. But it does give you an indication as what you can expect to pay here in this shop here. So there you go, guys. This is the Smithfields Deli in Pattaya Soy 5. Come and pay them a visit. Come and support them. It's a brand new venture, and let's give them some support. They've got some good products already here for you. All right, so let's head off now to the next one. Thank you very much, Cop and Cab. Thank you, Cab, Cop and Cab. All right, let's go off and head back out. It's nice you go in there, it's nice and chilled, and then you come out here and it's roasting hot. All right, so we're nearing the end of the video now. I'm just going to show you down here. There you go. So this is Pattaya Soy 5. If you're not sure where we are, we're opposite the market. And like I say, I'll just spin around and show you. It's a new venture, so please, guys, come and support them. Give them your support and watch them grow. All right, now let's head off to one more location before we call it a day. All right, guys, let's go. All right, so we're here at the Deli Factory in Soy Bangkok, and I want to show you this place because this is a really cool, really unique place in terms of all of the products. Every single product you see inside here that I'm going to show you now is imported directly from its originating country. So you can see here, all these products are imported from Italy, from around in England, etc., etc. All the cheeses, everything is imported directly. So when you come in here, you're assured of really good, very high quality food. And you can see here, we'll look at the hams and the sausages. And what they do every week is they have a range of fresh cheeses available every week. And you can see here, there you go. And all these are changed each week. How nice do they look? And they've also got fresh bread, fresh pizzas, all made here. And look at this selection of different meats and cold hams. Look at these. So if this is your kind of thing, then please check out the description below. there will be a link to their location and opening times and Facebook page, etc. And come up here, grab a coffee, sit down, enjoy all these range of really nice, really good quality foods. And I'm sure that you will find there's plenty here that will take you. Oh, see, I stood by this and it just told me my temperature. Brilliant. All right, so here we are then, the Deli Factory in Soi Bangkok. And I'm going to head out now and we're going to finish off. All right, guys, so just one look at this. I've got to show you again. How nice do these look? Look at that. That really is lovely. All right, okay, let's go. Let's head back out and let's finish off. All right, guys, so that's it for me today here on Buzzing About Town, on Buzzing Pattaya. I hope you enjoyed the few that I showcased. This is by no means all of the expat food shops here, but it's definitely a good selection for you to get stuck into. Guys, please drop a comment below. If you use a certain place that you want to recommend, guys, feel free. You know, let's make this video as informative and as useful as we possibly can. All right, so that's it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. Please, guys, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when we bring out a new video. Don't forget to check out our members area where I'll be dropping in new photo shoots, new behind the scenes videos, and also join our Telegram group, which is growing from strength to strength. All right, guys, well, there you go. I'm off now, and I will catch you in the next video. And wherever you are in the world, please stay safe.